I'm Anil Kumar, and in this set of videos, I have taken up questions from different parts of quadratic equations so that we give you a very good review on this topic. The question here is related to transformation. The question is, if the following equation is reflected over the x-axis, vertically stretched by a factor of 3, and horizontally translated left 2 units, what will be the new equation? The equation given to you is, let me rewrite here, y equals to minus 6 x minus 2 whole square plus 3, right? So that's the equation. You can pause the video and answer the question. Here is my suggestion. Let's consider each transformation and then we can easily write down the transformed equation. Now it says, if the following equation is reflected over x-axis, so first thing is reflected over x-axis, right? My idea is not to give you just the solution, but to teach you how to do it in the best possible way. So when we reflect it over x-axis, then this sign changes, right? So this sign changes, it gets multiplied by minus, right? So it gets multiplied by minus, so it will become positive, right? So we can write transformed equation, let's say yt. So that becomes positive. Okay. The next part is vertically stretched by a factor of 3. So vertically stretched by factor of 3. In that case, what happens? In that case, 6 will get multiplied by times 3, right? Times 3. So we get 6 times 3 as 18. So we get this part as 18. Correct. Horizontally translated left 2 units. So it is translated horizontally, right? Horizontally. Left 2 units. Left 2 units means it is like coming in this direction, correct? In that case, what we do, when you come in towards the left direction, then we have to add 2, right? So this equation, the axis is at x equals to 2. Now that axis, instead of being at x equals to 2, it is translated by 2 units towards the left. Do you get the idea? So in that case, we will add 2 to this, correct? So left 2 units means add 2. So because the axis has come towards left side, so now that will result into x minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0, right? So just x square. And no other transformation. So we'll keep plus 3 as such. So that becomes the equation. So looking into all these transformations, we can write the transform function as 18x square plus 3, right? So I hope you get the idea. So initially, we have a function which has axis at x equals to 2. Now since it has moved 2 units towards the left, the axis will be at x equals to 0, which is represented here. Do you get the idea? So that is how we actually get the transformed equation. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.